fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome to your boo. So like, comment, and subscribe to become a part of the Foo fam. So guys, I do not know what is going on with my hair right now. I tried to put it in like a little bang style, but then it started getting really puffy. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do some really cute twists in the front, very loose twists, and this is the outcome. Regardless, that does not matter because today we're going to be trimming our hair, not styling our hair. But if you're interested in seeing the styles that I do with my hair, then you can go ahead and check them out right here, along with other natural hair videos that I do. But without further ado, we're going to get started with this video. So really quickly, I'm gonna take these twists out. And if you guys don't know me, I've been natural for a little bit over a year now, and I have never actually trimmed my hair. Now I did do a big chop. I look like a complete little boy when I did that, but my hair has obviously grown since. Hallelujah. And now it's time for a trim. I'm terrified of trims because I know you're supposed to use shear scissors. So the other day I went to the beauty supply store and I asked her, hey, can you please give me the best shear scissors you have? She said, yeah, no problem. And then she gave me these scissors, which said shears. Try to say that 3 times. It said shears, but it was only $2.75. I mean, don't get me wrong, I bought it, but I don't know, I hope it's good. I tested it out on like a piece of paper and it's very sharp. I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair down now. I was supposed to do this video, I'd say 3 days ago for you guys, but I've been busy with other videos, which if you're interested in weight loss videos or just challenges period, then you should most definitely subscribe and join the Foo fam. But I'm back with my natural hair videos. I actually love doing these videos because it's so fun to explore with my hair and do different things with it, and along the way I'm showing you guys what I'm doing too. So yeah, I find that fun. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair into 2 big sections so I could start working. Before I section this side off, since I am so inexperienced with trimming my hair, I mean, I've done it before, but only like 3 times because I only trim my hair once a year. I may change that to 2 times a year, but for now it's once a year and I'm happy. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is, obviously I have it sectioned, and I'm gonna take pretty big sections because I don't want this process to take a long time. Next, I'm gonna be taking my denim brush. I'm gonna be starting from the bottom, working my way to the top. And y'all, I know you're not supposed to detangle your hair while it's dry, but today we're gonna make an exception because this hair needs to be tangle free so we can see all of the knots and bad ends basically. As you can see, here's my hair. I'm just gonna be filling for wherever I feel knots and where it's most see-through. Like half of this is not good. I don't know if you guys can see it, but some of it is good but not all of it. So let me see. Yeah, I think, yeah, I'm feeling it. All of this right here is not doing me any good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and okay. All right guys, so that's basically what I'm gonna be doing all over my head, and when I'm done I'm just gonna twist it up just like this. Actually, I might braid it because I'm planning on doing a wig review for you guys. You know what, we're gonna braid this. And braiding is more secure anyways, and it lasts longer. Okay, so this is the best I'm gonna be able to do with the ends being freshly trimmed. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me doing another section just like this. Right, so step number 1, finger detangle. Guys, trust me, you do not want to go in with the brush right away because your hair is very sensitive right now since it's dry. So finger detangling is way better because you're able to feel all the knots and tangles and you won't be able to snag your hair as easily. See, right now I felt it, so I just slowed down, took my time. These ends are actually really bad. I know you can see them right there. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna take my denim brush I'm going to feel and also look to see where the hair is thinning out and where it's just very knotted. And guys, there's no specific amount of hair you're supposed to cut. I know some people say there is, but I don't believe that. Like, if you're growing your hair out for, let's just say 6 months, you don't have to cut an inch of your hair off or like half an inch off. Everybody's hair is different, as well as their hair's health. So how will you know how healthy or how unhealthy the person's hair is? Maybe they gotta cut more or maybe they gotta cut less. So I keep doing twists. Braids, Daphne, braids. All right, y'all, so that's basically what I'm gonna be doing throughout my whole head, and I'll be back once I'm almost done to show you guys a few more pieces and the finished product. Okay guys, so I've done most of my head by now, and I wanted to tell you guys that most people, when they're trimming their hair, they do blow dry their hair at first, but my hair is very stretched out. That's actually one of the reasons why I let it stay in braids and twists for over 3 days. If you want to trim your hair and you don't want to use heat, you can easily do it just like I'm showing you. Also, I am cutting the hair when I stretch it out like this, like I showed you guys before, but I'm also cutting it when it's in this state. So when it's in the braids, I feel at the very bottom of the braid to see if there's any one strand knots or hair that feels way too brittle, and if I feel anything, then I'll snip it off. But for all of my section, I have been feeling some, so just that overall trim when you stretch it out does not do a great job. So I recommend going back in and trimming it when it's in these little braids or twists, whichever one you decide to do. Alright guys, I'm finally back with my last section. Now this did not take me too long to do. Well, I watched 3 episodes of Steve Wilkos, and each episode is like from 7 to 15 minutes. So I'd say a good 45 minutes it took me just to trim my hair and braid it up. So that's actually pretty good. But I am doing my last braid. Thank God. Whew. And we are finally done. I wanted to show you guys what my hair looks like. Thankfully, I did not lose so much length. That was kind of like my main concern. Well, my main concern was getting rid of those single strand knots because I have a lot for some reason. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me trimming my natural hair. If you guys enjoy natural hair videos like this, let me know down in the comment box below what other natural hair videos you want to see, and I would surely get on that for you. But if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and while you're at it, click on the bell next to the subscribe button. It lets you know whenever I post a video. I do say this from the bottom of my heart. I thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, out. Love you.